ADHD and music. Some recent studies have looked at ADHD and music more directly. On the surface, music seems like it would benefit someone with ADHD, given that music is so enjoyable and it might improve multitasking, adherence to structure, collaboration, auditory processing, and self confidence. The power of music. Music has a special place in our hearts and as well as our brains. Who hasn't experienced really deep feelings listening to a song or recalled a distant but powerful memory? Listening to music. Music helps us to get going in the morning, finish tough workouts, tolerate boring rush hours, celebrate marriages, birthdays, and holidays, and even to mark the memories of those we have lost. It adds something amazing to our lives. It can be a device of political self expression. How music may help people with ADHD. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder (ADHD) is a chronic condition that involves hyperactivity, impulsiveness, and the inability to focus or hold attention for very long. As a result, people with ADHD often have trouble following instructions and completing complex tasks. ADHD is more commonly diagnosed in childhood, but many adults are diagnosed later in life. Living with ADHD often causes frustration and stress over a prolonged period. There are many therapies available to treat ADHD, and music therapy has been found effective in increasing the ability to concentrate and promote relaxation. Music is often a distraction, but it seems that some people with ADHD may benefit from listening to certain sounds and music. Can music help children with ADHD focus while studying? Children with ADHD often have a hard time studying. While your impulse as a parent may be to use silence to help your child study, that may not be the best solution. Music offers certain benefits and may help your child focus. Using music to increase focus. For a child with ADHD, focus can be as elusive as trying to catch a cloud in your hand. That is because the brain of someone with ADHD is unique compared to an average person. For example, some people with ADHD have a smaller frontal lobe, which is the area of the brain that controls concentration and impulse control. The brains in people with ADHD tend to have less gray matter and may have different neural pathways controlling issues such as attention. Music can be a way to help children with ADHD concentrate and study even when all the wiring in their brain doesn't want to. What music works best for those with ADHD? When it comes to improving ADHD symptoms such as poor concentration, calm music with easy to follow rhythms can help. Since ADHD can involve difficulty tracking timing and duration, listening to music is beneficial because it relies on structure and timing and rhythm. White noise may also help. White noise combines sounds of all different frequencies and is often used to mask other sounds. Examples of white noise include the hum from air conditioners, fan wiring, static from television or radio, and the hissing noise that radiators make. What they shouldn't listen to. While listening to some types of music can help manage symptoms of ADHD, certain types of music can have the opposite effect. Music that has no precise rhythm or is very fast-paced can be detrimental if you're trying to improve concentration or focus while working or doing schoolwork. In addition, songs with lyrics can be distracting, as well as listening to a radio station or streaming service with a lot of commercial interruptions.